Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up Flutter on Windows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download and set up Flutter on Windows, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Flutter website at flutter.dev. Once the page loads, locate the Get Started button. Click on Get Started and select Windows from the options provided. You will be directed to the installation instructions for Windows. Scroll down until you see the Download the Flutter SDK section. Click on the link to download the latest stable Flutter SDK. A zip file will begin downloading to your system. Once the download completes, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All. Choose a location to extract the files, ideally a directory in your C drive, such as C:\Flutter. After extraction, open the folder where you placed the Flutter files. Next, you need to add Flutter to your system's path variable. Right-click on this PC or my computer and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings on the left side. In the System Properties window, click on the Environment Variables button. In the Environment Variables window, find the path variable under System Variables and select it. Click on Edit, then New to add a new path entry. Enter the path to the Flutter bin directory, which should be C:\Flutter\bin. Click OK to close each dialog box. To verify your installation, open the command prompt. Type Flutter Doctor and press Enter. The command will check your environment and display any dependencies you need to install. Follow any prompts provided by Flutter Doctor to complete the setup. You may need to install additional tools like Git or the Android SDK as suggested. If prompted, download and install Android Studio for developing Flutter apps. After installation, restart your command prompt or terminal. You are now ready to create your first Flutter project. Open the command prompt again and enter Flutter create my_first_app. Replace my_first_app with your desired project name. Navigate into your project directory with cd my_first_app. Finally, to run the app, enter Flutter run and ensure you have an emulator or device connected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.